Dear business owners and friends from over the world, welcome to China. To make your list tired from traveling, Tanfon team have prepared airport pick-up series to meet you. Whether you are here for Guangdong Fair to find the most business trends, or come here to pick up high-quality products from China, Tanfon Solar Factory sincerely invite you to our factory, a one-stop solar energy solution center with 80 years product experience. For 80 years, we have brought green relief to thousands of families with a reliable home solar system. For 80 years, we have kept business around the world running without stop and kept their high electricity built with a stable combination solar system, helping you make. For 80 years, we have kept improving our installed solar system and provide new energy plans for government and communities. If you want to know how a solar system works, welcome to Tanfon. Our sales energy will answer your all questions. If you want to install a solar system, our technology energy will make a customer plan to turn your idea into reality. If you want to use your solar system without worries, our after-sales team will help you deal with any unaccepted problems. Trust Tanfon is best success. Welcome to visit our Tanfon.